God, help Coleman and Emma to fulfill the promises they will make here today and to reflect your steadfast love and their commitment to each other. Give them kindness and patience, affection and understanding, happiness and contentment. May their family and friends continue to support them in the difficult days and share in celebration in their times of joy, so that their love for each other may continue to grow as long as they both shall live. Amen.
Letting your worries paint your face. I was playing Rob's guitar, still I might if it were pain. Too much milk up in my coffee. Some things I never meant to change.
Today serves as kind of a time machine, allowing us to move back in time through memories of connection and growing in love and forward in hope. In a way, this moment began a few years ago when you met in Spanish class your junior year, working on a group project. Emma, what first drew you to Coleman was his personality, being lighthearted, funny, smart, and kind.
And I will always.
So this first moment of connection is years old now, as you've grown in love and partnership. So you both know that the hand you're holding today is a steady one, a faithful one that you can trust as much as you own your own, and one hands that you guys will build your life together.
Days might not get easier, though I pray they do. And if I ever feel I don't have more than I deserve, let me turn to you. I will turn to you, telling me how great it is.
By the power vested in me, it is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. You may now share your first kiss as husband and wife. All right. It's my honor to introduce you to Emma and Coleman Fairborn.
Coleman, I love you. You're a good man. Emma, you're a good lady. Coleman's very lucky. You're both very lucky. Wishing y'all the best. I love y'all.
Congrats, Emma and Coleman. We love you. We're excited for you. Congratulations, Emma, Coleman. We love you. We miss you.
Congratulations, man.
Congratulations. We love you.
Ready? Okay. Hi, Emma and Coleman. I just want to remind you how loved you are and how excited we are to be here celebrating you, and that we can't wait to celebrate you for years to come. Thanks for having us. We are so honored to be here, and congratulations.
Do that. I just want to say congratulations, Emma and Coleman. We love you so much, and I'm so happy for both of you, and I'm so happy that you two have each other. Thanks. Love you.
Just reaching out and saying beautiful wedding, and it goes without saying, but I'll say it. Amanda would have been through the roof to have been there, and I just feel blessed to have been part of it. Thank you very much, and I wish you a long and happy life together.
All right, congrats, Emma and Coleman. I am so excited for you to continue celebrating you forever and ever and ever. We love you. Congrats, Emma and Coleman. We are so excited for you, and it has been such an honor to watch your relationship grow over the past year.
Congrats, you guys. We love you.
Hey, Emma and Coleman, a huge congratulations to both of you. I'm so excited for this new chapter of your life and excited that I have witnessed it from day one. And I just can't wait to see what happens next. Cheers.
Dear Emma and Coleman,
We love you.
so much.
And a big congratulations to you both.
Congrats. Congrats.
Yeah.
So happy.